Do you struggle to speak English in daily life? Want to sound natural and confident in conversations? In today's video, I will teach you 10 powerful English sentences that native speakers use every day. These sentences are easy to learn, and they'll help you speak English more fluently and naturally. So stay with me till the end and make sure to repeat each sentence aloud. Part 1, let's begin. Sentence 1. Can you help me with this? Use this sentence when you need assistance. Example, can you help me with my homework? Can you help me carry this bag? Sentence 2. I am not sure about that. Use this when you are uncertain. Example, I am not sure about the answer. I am not sure about the meeting time. Sentence 3. That sounds great. This is a positive response when you like an idea. Example, let us meet at 5 p.m. You say that sounds great. Sentence 4. I will get back to you. Use this when you need time to respond or decide. Example, let me check my schedule. I will get back to you. Sentence 5. I really appreciate it. Use this to show gratitude politely. Example, thank you for helping me. I really appreciate it. Part 2, more useful sentences. Sentence 6. What do you think about it? This sentence helps you ask for opinions. Example, what do you think about this dress? What do you think about the new teacher? Sentence 7. I do not understand. Use this if something is not clear to you. Example, I do not understand the question. I do not understand what he said. Sentence 8. It does not matter. Use this when something is not important. Example, he came late, but it does not matter. You can take any seat, it does not matter. Sentence 9. I am just looking. Use this sentence in shops when you do not want help. Example, the shopkeeper asks, can I help you? You reply, I am just looking. Sentence 10. Let me think about it. Use this when you need time before making a decision. Example, do you want to join the trip? You say, let me think about it. Part 3, practice and motivation. Now that you have learned all 10 daily English sentences, it is time to practice them. Why practice is important. Just watching this video once will not make you fluent. You must speak these sentences out loud and use them in real life. That is how you build confidence and fluency. How to practice daily. Step 1. Choose 3 sentences from today's list. Step 2. Say each sentence 5 times aloud. Step 3. Use them in real situations during your day. For example, when talking to a friend, say, that sounds great. Or when unsure about something, say, I'm not sure about that. Example, daily practice routine. In the morning, say the sentences aloud for 5 minutes during the day. Use them while talking to people. At night, review what you used and try different ones the next day. Motivation to keep going. Remember, fluency does not come in one day. But if you give just 10 minutes every day, you will see amazing improvement in just 1 month. Small steps every day lead to big success. You are not alone. Thousands of students are learning with English Academy. So keep practicing with us. Believe in yourself and never give up. Conclusion. Today you have learned 10 powerful English sentences that are used in daily life. These sentences will help you sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent when speaking English. But remember, learning is not enough. You must practice. Use these sentences every day. Speak them out loud. Repeat them until they become part of your everyday conversation. And now I want to ask you, which sentence did you like the most? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to subscribe to English Academy. We post useful and simple English lessons every week. Also, like this video to support the channel. And share it with your friends so they can improve their English too. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.